Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set a Discord server invite link so it can only be used 5 times. It's a simple trick that helps you manage who joins your community while keeping your server safe. Let's get started right away. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your account and that you have the right permissions to manage invites in your server. Once you're inside, go to the server where you want to set up the invite link. Next, tap the server's name at the very top of the screen. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to several options. From here, select Invite. This is where you'll be able to create and customize a link for others to join your community. Before sending out that invite link, it's important to adjust how it works. Under the Invite menu, you'll see an option that says Edit Invite Link. Tap on it, and you'll find several customization choices such as expiration time, temporary membership, and maximum number of uses. Now, focus on the max uses option. This determines how many people can actually use that specific link to join your server. To make the most of your control and exclusivity, set max uses to 5. This means only 5 people can use that link before it becomes inactive. It's perfect if you want to invite a small group, run a limited event, or keep your community private without random users joining later on. Once you've chosen 5 as the maximum number of uses, tap Generate a new link or save your setting.